When you're rolling around in a GMC Canyon, there's nothing worse than tossing gear in the back and watching it get soaked, dusty, or straight up tempting for would-be thieves. A good tonneau cover solves all that. Weather protection, security, cleaner aerodynamics, and a much better look for your truck. Today, I'm breaking down the best tonneau covers for the Canyon, and all the product links are waiting for you in the video description. The Syneticusa ER Power cover is for the truck owner who wants tech, strength, and convenience all in one slick setup. This remote-controlled retractable design lets you lock the cover anywhere along the rails. Super handy when you're hauling bulky stuff. That durable 6063 T5 aluminum feels rock solid, supporting up to 500 pounds, while the powder-coated finish fights corrosion and scratches. Weatherproof seals, drainage tubes, and a compact 9-inch canister keep water out without eating up bed space. It's a premium, no-drama solution for everyday and off-road use. The RealTruck TruXedo Sentry comes in swinging with a premium matte black woven top, bonded to heavy-duty aluminum slats, giving you a mix of stealthy style and security. It rolls up tight with one hand and stays clear of your rear window when stored. The extra center latch gives peace of mind, and the dirt-resistant finish means it stays looking sharp longer. Installation is a quick, drill-free job. Clamp it on, roll it up, and you're good to cruise. It's a strong, smooth operating cover built for convenience. The RealTruck BAKFlip G2 is all about versatility and full bed access without compromising protection. Those aluminum panels feel stout, and the automatic latching system makes opening and closing clean and secure. You can drive with it folded, flipped up, or fully closed, and the dual-action tailgate seal lets you open the tailgate without touching the cover. Drain tubes and perimeter seals handle weather like a champ. It looks clean, sits flush, and supports up to 300 pounds of evenly distributed cargo with no fuss. The oEdRo tri-fold cover brings a solid mix of affordability, durability, and easy installation. The double-layer PVC top is UV tested for long life, and the pre-assembled rails and aluminum clamps make setup straightforward. With the tailgate locked, your bed becomes a fully protected trunk, snowproof, dustproof, and ready for any season. It's a low-maintenance, high-value choice for Canyon owners who want reliable protection without going premium-level pricing. The Gator Hard Tri-Fold cover delivers a sleek, low-profile look with heavy-duty aluminum panels that automatically lock when shut. This one installs fast with no drilling and sits flush for a clean, factory-style appearance. Weather management is strong thanks to rubber seals and drain tubes that move water out efficiently. You can drive with it open or closed, and removing it completely only takes a moment. It's tough, stylish, and backed by a solid warranty for worry-free use. The Tyger Auto T1 is a soft roll-up tonneau cover designed for practical truck owners who want something lightweight, dependable, and budget-friendly. The marine-grade 24-ounce vinyl handles weather like a champ, while built-in crossbars keep the cover taut and supported at highway speeds. It seals with Velcro strips along the sides and locks at the tailgate, giving you simple security and quick access. Installation is easy with no drilling required, and it rolls up cleanly when you need full bed space. If you want your GMC Canyon ready for any job, from work runs to weekend adventures, any of these covers will get the job done. Some lean toward premium tech, others toward durability or value, but all give you real benefits on the road. All the links to every product you saw today are in the video description, so check them out. And hey, if this helped you pick the right cover for your Canyon, make sure you smash that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next.